In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page on Google Docs. If you've ever wanted a clean new page in the middle of a document, maybe to start a new section, add a title page, or separate a bibliography, the right way to do it in Google Docs is with a page break. Google Docs doesn't actually have a direct insert blank page button. Instead, a page break pushes everything after your cursor onto the next page, keeping your layout consistent and professional. Let's start with the best and most precise method, using the menu. Open your Google Docs document and place your cursor exactly where you want the new page to begin. This is usually at the end of a paragraph, after a title, or right before a new heading. Now go to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down, hover over Break and then select Page Break. Instantly, Docs creates a new page and your cursor jumps to the top of it. Everything that was after your cursor is moved neatly to the next page. If you placed it in the wrong spot, don't worry. Just use Undo to go back and try again. This approach is great because it locks in your layout, so as you edit, your new section won't drift around. If you want the fastest method, use a keyboard shortcut. On Windows and Chromebooks, press Ctrl plus Enter. On a Mac, press Command plus Enter. As soon as you press the shortcut, Google Docs inserts a page break right where your cursor is, creating a new page immediately. It's perfect when you're moving quickly and already know the exact spot you want to break. Here's the key idea to remember. In Google Docs, a new page is a page break. Pressing Enter a bunch of times might look like it creates space, but it's not the correct method. Those extra line breaks can shift or disappear as you keep typing, which can mess up your spacing, page numbers, and headings. A page break, on the other hand, keeps your document clean and stable. It's especially helpful for schoolwork and formal documents like MLA or APA papers because it preserves proper formatting when you print or export to PDF. That's all you need. Use Insert Break Page Break for precise control or the keyboard shortcut for speed. With page breaks, your document will look tidy, professional, and easy to navigate every time.